Nights! It's Monday. ATG, giving a knife to B. She's the cook of the group. If anybody knows how to use a knife, I'm pretty sure it's her. And I would not hand out any knife to any person that I wasn't sure knew exactly how to use it and wasn't going to use it against me. Oh, the times they are a-changin'. I think it was 2 weeks ago that I announced that I was thinking about doing some sort of narrative club. I'd kind of been kicking around the idea. The more that I thought about it, the more I wanted to do it. And now it is an unofficial thing. Let me just take you through the numbers. I spoke with one of our student government members. She gave me an idea of what would need to happen, and she gave me some papers to fill out. And in order to be an actual official club, you have to have a constitution. Clubs at North Ark have to have official executive members as well as just student body members. Once we had the papers, we started kicking around the idea of who was going to do what. I'm the president, which vice president is B, and she's also the treasurer, which means that if I am assassinated, she'll take over. And Glitch has become the secretary. We sold her with the idea that she can show up for the meetings in a sexy little pencil skirt and nerdy glasses and be typing away on the computer, pretending to take minutes, but really being on Tumblr. The Lady Knights, man. We're doing it for ourselves. And then we actually got around to getting our advisor. B came up with this idea that we could get who I fondly refer to as Professor Potter, which is kind of amazing. I never in a million years imagined that we would get Professor Potter. And we did. It was staggering when that happened. And this is the reason why I call her Professor Potter. You know that scene whenever the Sorting Hat has finally sorted Harry into Gryffindor and the entire Gryffindor table is like, "We got Potter! We got Potter!" That's exactly what I was feeling like. So that was exciting and amazing. She has a wealth of knowledge, not just in the school, but like literature and movies, and she was my film classics teacher, and I loved that class. We drafted up a constitution, and we decided just to be really cutesy and make up a preamble for the constitution, even though that's not necessary. Let me read you this.
We, mere students of North Arkansas College, in order to form an official club, establish a forum for discussion and further education, ensure our collective or otherwise anonymous voices will be heard, provide for the bedraggled narrative enthusiasts, promote the struggling storyteller, and secure the blessings of liberty for ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this constitution for the North Ark Narrative Club.
I think my history teacher would be proud. As far as for the group description,
North Ark Narrative Club supports the idea that society derives knowledge as well as entertainment from the stories that we engage in. Our mission, should we choose to accept it, is to provide a place where the narrative enthusiasts among the student body may celebrate the stories that they love.
We put so many cute things in there that's like, come on guys, this is for fun, and we don't want to take ourselves too seriously. We also drafted up our own North Ark Narrative Club guidelines. Yeah, sure, they could be rules, but they're more of a set of guidelines. So those were submitted along with the paperwork that we had to fill out where we had to get signatures and stuff, and we are now an unofficial club. Dear God in heaven. We have also spoken with a number of teachers, most notably Professor William, also another code name. I'm never going to give you guys actual professor names. Professor William, who's the director of the drama department, because narrative's just such a broad category. It covers books, movies, plays, songs, oral traditions, and games, of course. He was super excited about partnering with us. We have discussed the option of outreach, which would be awesome to go to schools and read to kids and get them interested in narrative. We are so excited about that, and when he found out we were considering doing that, he was excited about it too. So this Tuesday I'm gonna be talking to the drama club about the new club and everything. And I'm a little frazzled and extraordinarily excited. I really wish that all of you could be a part of this. Even though some of you can't be members, I am really hoping that you'll settle for being unofficial members of the North Ark Narrative Club, because I think it's just something we're all passionate about. There's probably a ton of other things that I need to talk about, but I can't think of them because this is at the forefront of my mind. Like everyone else, I can't wait for theme week. I guess that's all. See you guys later.